Hi, everyone. Today's upgrade is a Wrangler car. This is its original car control. This is the disassembly tool. Everyone according to the needs to prepare. First, we remove the middle window control panel. Then we remove a large panel from the center. Now unscrew these two screws, remove the original car screen, and unplug all the plugs on the back. Remove the 3 original car vents from this bit panel. Now let's connect the wires. This is the GPS antenna. Connect USB. Connect RCA antenna. Connect CAM cable. Connect radio antenna. Connect the communication serial cable. Connect to the campus box. Connect the black source. Connect the original car plug. Connect the original car radio plug. Connect the rear view plug. Now install the instrument panel that comes with the new product. Install the air outlet. Then install the top storage box panel. OK, now install the screen and secure it. Reinstall the window control panel. Finally, we installed these 2 air vents. Once installed, test the functionality. Supports local, online music playback. Supports square control to control the volume. Supports automatic radio search. You can watch movies on large screens. You can adjust the timbre to your liking. Support map navigation. You can make Bluetooth phone calls. There are various things to choose from. With support for wireless CarPlay, you can use voice assistants, make phone calls, listen to music, use maps, and more. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching.